Mix Box by Homemade Bakers. If you're all about classic desserts, then Mixbox is the subscription for you. Every month you'll receive everything you need to bake delicious from scratch desserts right in your own kitchen. SoBakeable. With SoBakeable you'll receive your choice of either a chocolate lovers or a surprise box every other month featuring 2 dessert baking kits, portioned ingredients, instructions, and even decorations. My Baker's Box. Unlike many of the other boxes, this one focuses on cool baking supplies, tools, and decorations for the experienced baker who already has their ingredients lined up and ready to go. The Baker's Dozen. With the Baker's Dozen you'll get a delicious recipe every month and all the ingredients and tools you need to make it. After your 12th box, you even get a 13th for free. FoodStirs. FoodStirs. Mommy's Easy Bakery. Mommy's Easy Bakery. Red Velvet NYC. Red Velvet NYC. Delanas Baked Goods. Delanas Baked Goods. Rise Baking. Rise Baking.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.